Here are 3 ways to use yogurt with other edibles. Thanks for watching the video, and if you are new to here, then please subscribe this channel with click on bell button so that you never miss any latest upcoming video. It can easily be incorporated into a balanced breakfast, lunch or dinner, and by itself it makes for a tasty snack or dessert. But if you are accustomed to simply opening the foil lid and calling it a meal, you are in for a treat with these simple recipes you can whip up in no time at all. At the grocery store, be sure to reach for low-fat, plain Greek or regular yogurt cups in recipes. 1 cup equals 8 ounces to keep sugar and calories in check. Here are 3 ways to use yogurt with other edibles. 1. Yogurt with chopped vegetable salad. This vibrant salad from the cookbook Yogurt by Janet Fletcher is the perfect combination of grains, vegetables and protein, and it is a quick meal you can toss together on a busy weeknight. Farro is a great alternative to brown rice that's high in fiber and protein, and also adds a nutty bite alongside crunchy cucumbers, spicy arugula and juicy tomatoes. What makes this salad stand out is the Mediterranean za'atar spice mixture that you can also make yourself by combining equal parts thyme or oregano leaves, ground sumac, sea salt and toasted sesame seeds. This way is the best way to eat healthy veggies with yogurt. 2. Yogurt with macaroni and cheese. An effortless way to slash calories and fat in your favorite macaroni and cheese recipe is to swap in yogurt for half of the full fat milk. This trick adds creaminess and a dose of protein without the need for extra butter or heavy cream. In this baked version, from a dash of salt, olive oil is also swapped in for butter for a heart-healthy option that cooks up in just 10 minutes. Opt for low-fat cheese to cut down on fat even more. 3. Yogurt with Greek marinated chicken. When marinated meat, not many people reach for a cup of yogurt, but the thick texture makes for a great marinade base. It's the secret to budget bites marinated chicken that's infused with garlic, oregano, parsley, salt, pepper and lemon zest. You can marinate the meat in just 30 minutes or prepare it up to 2 days ahead of grilling or baking for a family-friendly meal that everyone will enjoy. Make it a Mediterranean feast with a side dish like this Greek tuna salad for a filling, nutrient-rich spread. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it, share it with others on social media and subscribe it with click on bell icon for latest video.